Broadway Limited recently released a run of their SD45s with Paragon 4 in HO scale. Let's take a look at this bad boy. This is the Great Northern version of the SD45, of which 27 were purchased by the Great Northern. I chose this because I thought it would be a good one to convert to a Blue Ridge and Western locomotive. Even though that's my in-scale layout, I just thought it would be a fun one to run on my HO scale stuff. The model itself is loaded with detail that is prototypically accurate right down to the railroad nameplate on the handrails, the pipes, and the hoses around the trucks. And all of the separately applied details as well, including grab irons. The horn is also 3-chime, just like the prototype, and the dynamic brake blister is extended through the vents at the end of the train. Other detail parts include legible placards, an engineer in the cab, and multiple lighting feature, including functioning class lights and number board lights, in addition to others. I just want to show you one thing that I noticed really quick when I was looking at this model. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but the fan blades right here, also if I blow on them, they spin. So just another level of detail. You could have just even molded those in and had those snap in and still look like that. So that's just another level of detail on this thing. So I really like this locomotive. This thing sounds pretty great too with the Paragon 4 decoder. Let's take a listen. My approach to HO scale has been more on the side of I get what I want rather than I'm modeling something specific. I really like this engine and I like this era of engines as well. Let's see what it looks like on my HO scale layout. I'll have a link to one of these in the description below if you want to pick this up. It's the Broadway Limited HO Scale SD45 with Paragon 4 DCC and sound. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, and happy railroading.